Welcome to another episode of Solitaire Quest. I'm the Blood Knight of the Old Republic of Bloodganistan. Like, share, and subscribe. And today, at this moment, at this time, I'm reviewing another episode of Batman the Animated Series called Birds of a Feather. Another episode, and yeah. By the way, folks, fuck Doug Ford. Fuck that guy. So yeah, let's get into it, folks. Intro still be cool. The Penguin steals some pictures. Batman confronts the Penguin. The Penguin gets caught and put in jail. Penguin gets out of jail and goes on a bus. The Penguin goes to find the rogues. Batman goes to warn the Penguin. A woman wants to meet with the Penguin and she wines and dines with him. The Penguin knows things are up. The animation is great for its time. The Penguin defends the rich lady and fights the thugs. Batman confronts the thugs and he thinks the thugs are working for the Penguin. The girl might have fallen for the Penguin. The rich people go to the opera and Penguin has a girl as a date. Bruce is also watching the opera. The Penguin jostles the rich people at the party. The Penguin wants to give the girl a piece of jewelry. The Penguin gasses the girl and takes her away on a flying umbrella. The rich guy goes to see Gordon. The Penguin sends his demands, and the rich guy has to go to the wrong part of town. The Penguin takes the rich guy hostage and brings him to the opera house. There's a bat tracker in the money case. Batman confronts the Penguin in the opera house. Things get lit on fire, and Batman catches the Penguin. So yeah, pretty standard stuff. It's fun watching Batman do his thing, folks. It is fun. I rather enjoyed this. If you haven't watched the Batman the Animated Series, I suggest you go look it up. If you weren't born in that time period, go find the Batman the Animated Series or Batman the Animated Series. So yeah, I found this to be refreshing, a nice diversion, a nice distraction. I liked it. I don't have much else to say. These reviews are as simple as that sometimes. So yeah, I'm the Blood Knight of the Old Republic of Bloodganistan. Like, share, and subscribe. Stay frosty. Stay sexy, San Diego. Get your chosen one where you can. I am a spaceman. Invest in GameStop. Support Gina. Peace out, folks. And also, say this once, I'll say it again. Fuck Doug Ford. Fuck that guy's an asshole. Fuck that guy.